Hey, how's it going? Getting things set up here. Everything looks good. Like, considering yesterday's start, I wanted to make sure everything looked good, and it does. We're doing pretty good. All right. Good to see you guys. 1 second. Today we're going to be using the Rich Library for pretty colors in the terminal. I got things set up here to start looking through the docs. I've never used it before. Hey, RUX 10,000, good to see you. We're talking about some design UI in the terminal. There's a library called Rich. First viewer, first like, thank you. Thank you so much, RUX. Good to have you here. I'm excited for today. How's it going there, Tiny Rick? Good to see you, sup fam, good to see you. All right, got Tiny Rick in here as well. We're gonna be doing some Rich API, which is just, the fancy way of saying, make your pretty terminal. Make a pretty terminal. Well, bro, today's gonna be exciting. It's user experience stuff. It's UI related. Hey, Stephen A. Quantify Quantum, good to see you. Welcome on in. We're gonna be making some pretty stuff in the UI today. So it's got a Rich API Python library. I think there is a GitHub repo for it right here. I think, right? This is it. And if you look right here, this is the kind of things that you can do. You can do some pretty neat things right here. So you can do some colors. My terminal is true color, 16.7 million. So we'll be able to take full advantage of every single color. I want to see how this works. And there's also alignment, left, right, center. Oh, whoa. You can even do this, justification? No way, really? In the terminal? That's crazy. Torva, good to see you. How's it going? Welcome on in. Happy to see you. I don't know, Python has terminal UX library. It sure does. This is because Jen Lu was like, hey, we got to do this library. All right, okay. Hey, Goku. Hey, buddy. How are you? We're doing good. Thank you. Hey, Kamen. Hey, good to see you. We were chatting yesterday about some items and ticks. I thought it'd be fun to first try to join today. All right, Kamen, you're here. Good to have you. And we have not Vladdy. How's it going? You said an animal. You said an animal over there. Is that an animal? All right. So hello, Ivan B. Boxum. Ivan Boxum, good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, you guys. Let's take a look at this. Let's see what's going on here. We got some pretty color design stuff here, so you can really make your terminal look good. Make it really good. Obviously, it's using the escape characters. Let me see here. Let me double check on our audio real quick. All right, so our audio, I think, just put it halfway. There we go. Put it down the halfway. Perfect. Okay. All right. Pop back over here. Ivan Boxum. I know, right? This is what's going to happen. Look, it's beautiful. Beautiful terminal stuff. So we're going to try it out. I've never done this. So let's import the library first. So this is the Rich Library. Jen Lu said, let's make it happen. Which site, man? This is GitHub Textualize Rich. It's called Textualize Rich. I'll put it on our Discord. Real quick. Here we go. Under the shared link section. Ivan Boxum, thank you for subscribing. Hey, this is great. Welcome on in. We're going to be doing some Python pretty colors today. That's really good for flexing, is it? I think so. I think it will make any user experience in the terminal that much better. Obviously, it's using the escape character sequence for color coding, and it just makes it easy. It doesn't tell you what it's doing. It just lets it happen. Project got major error in UI, so I'm fixing it. All right, today, nice. All right, make it fix. Tomorrow can be done. It will update you. Sounds good to me. Hey man, I've been a vegetarian for almost 40 years, so I am old. Me too. Hey, Winston, you and I are the same. We're the same. All right, that's right. We're both vegetarian. We're both, I eat vegetables and fruits and, nuts and things like that. Can you check in the future? RP scissors? What's that? All right, I'll check. I'll take a look at that. Let's take a look. So I'm going to Google this. You said RPSCISSORS. What is that? RPOS scissors? Python? Is that the same thing? I don't know. Wait, you don't eat meat? Common, yeah, vegetarian. I eat the vegetables. That's what I have for breakfast, and I'll have that for lunch and dinner too. How much money you made? Oh, Chad, good question, Chad. Thank you for asking that. I'm like, that's as far as we'll go there. I'll someday we'll provide more information. Today though, we'll just Chad keep on asking later on. We'll see. Ivan Boxum on PyPy. Oh, PyPy. Yes. Okay. So you said RPS scissors on pip. So PyPy, or I guess we could say Pi. There we go. Python, PyPy. All right. Rock, paper, scissors. Is that what you're talking about? Are you talking about rock, paper, scissors? Is that what that is? I think that's what it is, because this is what Google thinks you're talking about. Rock, paper, scissors. Let's do look for this instead. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't know. Let me know if I typed it wrong. Let me know. Dude, I was searching for you hardly yesterday. I wanted to ask something. Oh, all right. Nick Hill. All right, Nick Hill. What do you got? What do you got, Nick Hill? Oh, by the way, for people who want to scrape data but can't access premium proxies, try out requests Tor, request-Tor on PyPy. Let's take a look. So that's actually a thing. Hey, quantified quantum, you actually pasted it in here. All right, so let's take a look what this is real quick. All right. Multi-threading request via Tor, automatic Tor, new identity, wrapper of requests, and the stem libraries. Returns a response, the same response, okay. And how does that work? I guess it's scraping for Tor? So requests for Tor. Or is it request through the Tor network? So that way you're like essentially anonymized in some way. RPS scissors from, okay, I'll try that. All right, we'll try that. All right, 1 second. Okay. RPS CISSORSCYUER 47. All right, Google. Google's not liking it. Google doesn't like it. Am I typing it wrong? RPS CISSORS. Oh, whatever. I can't find it. It's just not working. You got to send a link. Join the Discord and send a link. Mostly vegan, but every once in a while you'll have a social company. You'll be eating some cheese pizzas. Yeah, there you go. Not much dairy though. Same here. Yeah, just vegetables, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower. We got some zucchini this morning for breakfast. Zucchini for breakfast, very good. Very good breakfast item. No meat since about 20. Nice. Hey, Winston, you and I, we're the same. We did it. We did it together. Can you hack a scammer? Yeah, Chad, we could do that too. Oh, we could. I love your attitude and want to learn some coding from you. All right, Winston, that's the plan for today. If you guys are here right now, we're gonna be learning the rich library. So let's see if we can import this here. So let's see here. Split the screen, and then we're going to do pip install rich. Maybe. I guess that's it. All right, rich. All right, Python. Let's see if we can see import rich. All right, looks like that works. All right. Let us see what we can do here and how this works. All right, so let's keep on moving over here. Let's see if there's a quick start or something on the screen here. Let's just see if a quick start. All right, here it is. All right, from rich import print. Okay, perfect. Well, let me type that into the terminal here. So we got from rich import, or is it, am I doing that right? Am I doing it the right way? Yeah, from rich, okay, import print. So print, which takes over the name, it just overrides the native standard print library. Or the print method, I guess. Send it in Discord. Cool. All right. In the general, sounds good to me. We'll check it out. Hey, Sukan. Hi-oh. Good to see you. Sukana Gaming. Welcome on in. Could you suggest me how to start learning language like I code C? Yep, C is a good one. That's where I started in C++, which you probably should start with C rather than a C++. Along with learning, I need project for practice. Yep, each chapter. You got it. Nick Hill. That's the way to do it. You gotta have your fingers on the keyboard. What's up, dude? How's it going there? Good to see you, K-Hora. K-Hora, good to have you in. We also got Anthony. Welcome on in. Hi. Hello. So many guys. It's so great to see everybody. How I can learn Linux kernel development. Ooh, you want to build a kernel module? Do you want to build a kernel module? We could do that someday. That'll be a lot of fun. It's not that. It's pretty straightforward. How to develop like Linus Torvald? Well, what we need to do is you got to Google like how to get started building a Linux module, right? A Linux module. And then you figure out how to install the module and then how to build the module and all those sorts of things. And it'll be good. K-Hora. Yeah. Wow, to prepare a cheat sheet or a kind of thing. What kind of cheat sheet are you thinking about? That's a good question. What kind of cheat? I need to join the Discord. Yes, K-Hora. Sounds like a good plan. All right. So let's check out this general real quick in Discord. Okay. Palm it over here. All right. Let's click at PyPy RPS scissors. You're right. It's right here. See, pypy.org project RPS scissors. All right. What is this? This module makes it easy to create rock, paper, scissors for game. It was rock, paper, scissors. It was the whole time. I didn't even notice that. That's pretty neat. Okay. Options. Fire water plant. Who wins? All right, so if fire or plant. Wait, how does that win rules? How does that? I didn't even, water beats fire. Plant beats water. Fire beats plant. Ah, neat. Okay, that's pretty sweet. That's a pretty neat one. Thank you for the reference. I would need to read more on it. I want to read more on it. Hello, hi. All right, so let's see a wave icon for you there. All right, let's get into the rich library here. How's it going there, Peruvi? Peruvi said hi. Good to see you. New user hacker. I know, right? Ivan Boxum, thank you again. No problem. Blessed from the Cape Town, South Africa. Nice. Over there in South Africa, Cape Town. I heard about that place. Never been. Like your to-do list. Ah, got it. Okay. Got it. Good to have you guys here. All right, so time for me to vanish. All right, Quantify Quantum, got to play Hollow Knight. That code. Really? Oh, Quantify Quantum, how far are you? And hey, Savine, good to see you. Welcome on in. We're doing some rich library today, so we're going to check this out here. Rich library. We're going to learn how to use it. We're going to learn how to use the rich library. And interesting. Okay, so we could print hello world, and then we've got these annotations that we can put in there. Okay, so print. We'll say Torva, and then we'll say Torva in bold. Can we say blue? And then wait, is there like an end statement? How do we close it? Bold magenta. Okay. All right, it's like HTML. Bold. Blue. All right, and then we'll say Savon will be let's see, can we do italic and magenta? Maybe, I don't know. And we say Sivon. All right, spell your name correctly. / italic magenta. Let's see if that works. I'm kind of curious. What? Wait, why did it crash? Closing tag didn't match. Is that what I did? Is this? It's not. I did it wrong. Okay. Let's see. Let's copy and paste it. Why did it crash? Paste. All right, go. Hey, nice. All right, look at that. All right, for I in range 10. Let's see. We'll say print. Done. All right. Neat. Check that out right there. My magenta is purple on my screen. I don't know about you guys. Which library? This is called the Rich Library. The Rich Library. Hey, the tourist, good to see you. How's it going? Meso, good to see you as well. Hello. Welcome on in. All right, happy to have you guys join in today. We're going to be messing around with the Rich Library as part of our Python basics because we're getting into it, right? So we did a lot. So we built the web scraper. We did some web scraping. So let me mark this one as a done. Let's see here. When we throw an X right there. Perfect. Okay. Got an X there. Time. Let's see here. All right. Sup, my guy? Hey, Povin Music, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Gagan, welcome on in. Yo, bro. And MC Do, or McDo, right? McDoodin, right? McDoodin. All right. Rich Library. Jinlu. Hey, Jinlu. I found your Twitch. I found your Twitch, Jinlu. You were playing Minecraft. I found it. How's it? Alun? Hey, Alun Sin. Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. Good to have you here. Ah, perfect. Real gooey live. Yeah, a real gooey. Yep, Rich Library. Yeah, Jinlu, I watched some of your clips on Twitch. You were in like the azalea trees and there was a bed that you put down, and right when you went to sleep, the music stopped. That was fun. And then you were building things and you were trying to boat. You were trying to do some boating. Yeah, I was streaming Minecraft for some time last year. You were? I love that game. It's great. I played that game just like this last weekend. Maybe you'll learn me to code a good app for the Africans, please. Yeah, that could work too. We could do. All right, so let's see here. So thank you. So Jinlu. All right, so let's see here. We'll say that. So check this out. I wonder what can we do? Blink? Can we do blink? Can we do yellow? Bold, yellow, blink. Can we do that? We say Jinlu. Let me go like this, and we need to copy and paste. Copy and paste this. So / paste. Boom. Is that going to work? I don't know. Is it going to work? It works, but it didn't blink. Nothing blinks there. I wanted it to blink. Are you an engineer? Yes. Okay, for those of you who are new, I will let you know what the deal is. All right, so my name is Stephen Blum. Let me zoom in on this so you can see. I'm the CTO at PubNub. We raised 134 million. Series E, 1 billion connected devices, 68 patent claims granted. These are my patents. Been in tech for 25 years. My website, pubnub.com. We are an API provider that allows in-app connectivity, messaging, multiplayer gaming, things like that. This is my company. And I'm here chatting with you guys to tell you about the things that worked for me. The things that we're going to observe today are, hey, look at this. Look at this library right here. Look at what it can do. Let's mess around with it. I want to learn how it works. You're a Python. Where should you start? Moment. All right, moment called life. Are you ready for this? All right, so we've got a list here. That is all the getting starting points. All the things. We covered all these things live on stream. We did. We covered all of them. We covered literals, variables. Thank you for the hearts and likes, you guys. Thank you so much. Flow control, indentation loops, type annotations, printing strings like f strings, format strings, arrays, slices, dictionaries, keyword args, dunder methods, which are the magic methods, the really interesting looking double underscore methods right here, right? The weird ones. Like, why the underscores? I don't know why the underscores. Yes, quad. Ooh, what? Are you serious? Hold on. Wait. Chad, is it just me or does the webcam freeze occasionally? Does it? Let me look. Oh, you're right. Oh, you are right. You are right. It is. Oh, that's a problem. Yes, you are right. Yeah, I see it. We got a problem. Bandwidth is down. Yep. You're right. I don't know if you can hear it. Let's see here. That's a problem. All right. Okay. It looks like it's back to normal now. Sorry about that. Yep, I saw it just for a second there. All right, we're back now. Oh, no, just kidding. All right, we'll see if it corrects. If it doesn't, we'll have to like turn it on and off again. Audio's fine though. Okay, we can hear you just fine, just the image. Okay, no worries. Yeah, it might flicker every now and then. I think we're okay though. Okay, cool. All right, good. Whew, just for a bit there. Sorry about that. Thank you guys for paying attention. Let's see here. All right. It's cool, chill. All right, cool. Thank you. Fine now. All right, good. Okay, so we did a lot of things. So if you want to learn Python more in depth, good night. Hey, Korra, sounds good. Good night. Explain code to me in terms of a 5-year-old. Well, it's a way for you to describe to the computer what to do. So that's what programming is, isn't it? It's like, hey, computer, I want you to do a thing like this. And then you describe that in terms of code, right? That's what the code is, the language, the programming language. It's how you describe what you want the computer to do. It's not necessarily spoken language, it's a written language. And the computer will interpret that and then follow your instructions. That's coding. That counts as explain it. ELI 5 explains it. I want to learn wizard magic. You do? Like this? The magic methods, right? You can do operator overloads. You can do built-in method overloading. It's great. I love it. My favorite thing with Rich is that the print statement automatically makes new numbers light blue. Does it? The print statement? Oh, does it? Okay, so let's try this. Let's try it out. All right, so we'll say print hello 1 2 3 4 5. All right, print that. You're right. Look at that. It did. It converted. It made the numbers. It colored the numbers. Jinlu, you're right. Jinlu. That's pretty great. What's your take on vibe coding, especially as becoming a trend for AI? Well, it is the new tool that you use to write code. So you still need to be an engineer. You still kind of need to know what's going on. You need to maintain it. Going forward, we need your help. So much code is being written right now. Today, did you know more code than ever is being written right now because of vibe coding? Well, all that code needs to be maintained. Programs change, libraries get upgraded, security vulnerabilities, patches, all that stuff happens. So now we've got this giant maintenance footprint. We need your help to maintain that, you guys. Oh, that's Python. Yeah, it is. You got it. It's Python. We're doing the Rich library today, which is thank you to Jinlu. Thank you to Jinlu right here. The webcam's buffering again. Oh, is it? Let me look here. I'll keep it up on screen so I can see it. a little bit of a, we might have a few little, what I need to do is a network restart. I haven't done that for a year. So I think a year is pretty good for it to be not needing to be rebooted. What are your thoughts on Java as programming language, and do you think it has potential for growth? Well, no, it's going to be the opposite. It does not have any potential for growth. There's so many better languages to use than Java. Java is an academic language that is used to train you some of the common patterns that you can develop for concurrency, memory management, object-oriented programming, different inheritance patterns. In Java, you can do that. Do you want to use it for your main programming language? No, you don't. You want to use Kotlin or Scala or Clojure maybe. Probably not Clojure, but probably Scala. That's what you want to do. How's it going there, Ed? Thank you for subscribing, Ed. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Wednesday, you guys. Mulgbare. Yeah, exactly, Torva. Mulgabogel. That language is all about Rust. You got it. It is. It's all about Rust, you guys. Why don't you use C# with the .NET library? You get so much and it's cross-platform. You're right. C#. It's actually on my list of languages that I like. You see it right here? It's on my list. Hey, do you know what language isn't on my list, but I know? It's, yeah, right? Java. I know this language. I know it. I used it. There was time in college, in class, when they're like, hey, let's use Java. Nope, no more. It's gone. It's off the list. Not going to do it. Hey, Link, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. We're doing some Python today. We're doing the rich library. Cobalt. Let's go. Cobalt. Yes, right. Good old Cobalt. My German is so rusty. Is it, Savant? Denker eben uns Wetter is Bischen. I don't know what you're saying there. I'm trying to pronounce it, but I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to pronounce it. Hi, how are you? Good, Sid Hart. Hey, Sid Hart, good to see you. What about R? R is fine. I don't know R. And I know R and Python are in the data science realm. So I choose Python. Pikachu, I choose you. I choose you, Python. I choose you, Python. Or R-base. Yeah, there you go, Elusive. There's another one. Hey, Grappler. Welcome on in. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Do I need, wait, so Eddie Legendary, how's it going? Hey, Eddie Legendary's here, you guys, but I need to say bye. I just wanted to say hi. All right, sounds good. Thank you for dropping in just for a short moment. How can AI be worth $1 trillion if AI never solved $1 trillion problem? It's all about repetitive pattern task development. Think about this. All right, so AI is really good at repeating patterns. You can give it a bunch of patterns. It can identify which pattern it needs to repeat, and then it can repeat that pattern. That's what it's really good at. Guess what your job is? You repeat patterns. You recognize a pattern, and then you perform a task based on that pattern. And your task is usually performing some sort of pattern. AI is really good at that. The $1 trillion thing with AI is being able to uniform and make that just work for everything, right? All patterns. That's what you do for your job. And it can do robotics. It could do that. Thank you for the hearts and likes, you guys. Robotics. It could be for coding. It could be writing articles, doing creative work. It can patternize everything. It's already good enough today. Systems can be developed in an automated fashion using something called tool calling, function calling. It creates that deterministic output that is missing from the existing chat experience in ChatGPT. You say, ChatGPT, give me this program. And it says, okay, I'll write this program for you. And then it writes the program. It's like, hey, was that good enough program? You're in a system, when you're creating that in a workflow, you need to have all that extra word stripped out, all like the before and after. Hey, I built it for you. It's ready to go. You need just the raw content. So using something called function calling or tool calling gives you ability to create an AI agent that performs a task specifically for what you want it to do. Data collection, you got it. You got some data collection. A bit of all these languages, do you? Yeah, that's how I do it. My grandparents used to speak Yiddish and some German, mostly Hungarian and Romanian. So I picked, wait, what'd you pick? What? Data collection. Oh, you picked data collection. Me too, I love robotics. Nice. All right, Eddie Legendary, thank you for hanging out. Good to have you here. We just need more RAM. We just need more memory, you guys. Too bad we can't DLSS the RAM. Yep, Kahora, you got it. You got it. I'm fine with what we're working on today. Oh, Sid Hart. All right, so today the plan is we are doing the rich library, which I have around here somewhere. Okay, so here we go. So we could do print, and we can annotate the print, and then we can do print. There's a console print with a style as well, so you can can I do RGB? Can I do RGB? Can I do this? Wait, hold on. Listen, I want to find out right now. Wait. So let's go to the next window. Print. Okay, so I need to do a console print. So what I knew. Print got an unexpected keyword arg. Okay, so I need to import console. How do we do that? Where's that at? Maybe I'll just say this. From import print console. Can I do that? Okay. Let me say console.print. That module rich console has no attribute print. Did I do that wrong? It's right here. It's right here. What's going on? RAM got more expensive. You got it, Winston. It's expensive. That's what you picked. Nice, Savan. Very nice. All right, you guys. A bit of all languages. Glad I found your channel to learn. Hey, Moment, thank you. That's great to have you here. All right, so what is that? Lamosa. Thank you, Lamosa, for subscribing. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We really code with our hands for real coding. I hope to try data jobs soon after Master Python. Nice. Python's the right language for data science. It's my favorite. I use it all the time. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Let's see. Why do you always want RAM? Just download more. That's simple. Yep. Just download the RAM. There's a button for it. You can find it. All right. Download RAM. All right, here you go. See, download more RAM right there. See, there you go. Here's the button. Select your RAM plan. All right, I want 32. Select. Downloading. Download now. Hey, there we go. We downloaded more RAM. Look at that. Right there. We're downloading more memory. Perfect. I like how it flickers, receiving all the RAM. You can do red, green, blue, and hex values too, Jinlu. Yes, that's what I want to do. I want to do it. Hey, we got more RAM. Oh, wait, just kidding. Oh, wait, it's going away. Oh, wait, it's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. All right, this is what I want to do. I want to do this. How do we do this? All right, so styles. How do we do this? It says there's a console, but there's no print. So console, what is this? Dir, what is this? Dir, console. Is there no print? It said there was no print. Print. Yeah, it's not there. I don't see it. I don't see it. It's not there. We got to figure this out, you guys. You can do print. Wait. Hold on. I saw it. You said it. You can do print. Oh, got it. Okay, yeah. That works too. That makes sense. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so let's see this. Let's do this. We'll do print. We'll say hello. And then red, green, blue in a bracket. In a bracket there. Brackety bracket. Okay, close that. We'll say hello. Who are we saying hello to? But then don't we have to close this tab? What if we, so backslash, we have to close it, right? We have to do that. I wonder if we have to. So this will be, what color is this? It's a little bit of red and green, blue. All right, so it's purplish. Is that what this is, purple? It's good to have you guys here. Why is bro downloading more RAM? I know, right? A Ryzen CPUs because Torva said we could. You can see a similar thing with quant trading. Oh, wait. In what way? If an AI model is trained solely on data from before 1990s or 1900s and asked to create something novel, will it actually create and predict inventions in the 1900s? Would it? I don't know. I don't think so. Because right now the existing AI that works, it is a pattern recognition, pattern recreator. So it only is good at recreating patterns. That's all. So maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure. Sorry, our network is being weird. So there might be some, a little bit of buffers, lost, dropped frames there. I need to reboot the router. I see it's doing it again. I see it's happening. Sorry about that. What is the quant trading, Torva? Now we need to download CPU, GPU. You got it. Yep, sorry. Some network issues, though we are still live. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, the bitrate today is crazy. Yep, Jinlu. Yep, it's going up and down. It's flickering. I need to do a network router reboot, which I'll do here after stream. It's good to have you guys here. Thank you all for joining today. All right, so let me pull this back up here. All right, here we go. Can we download NVIDIA 5090, bro? You got it. RUX 10,000. We could download that. All right, let's see. I want to see print hello, print. Can we say RUX 10,000? There we go. Woo, look at that. Whoa, we can do any color we want. All right, so let's do 255, 255. Let's do full on magenta. Oh, wait, what? Oh, right. Okay, here's what I want to know. Can we do this? Nope. It has to be the exact. That is just really, that's really strange. Okay, there he is, RUX. All right, so can we also do bold? Can we say bold? All right, so bold, and then we'll need another bold over here. Bold. Boom. There we go. RUX 10,000 right there. I read the question online. What are you doing? All right. So what we're doing, let's see here. We are struggling to keep the bandwidth up. That's what we're doing right now. We're struggling to keep the bandwidth going. Let's see here. I wonder what Claude uses. It's very wasteful, cycle hungry UI. Is it? Oh, right. I know what you're describing. All right. Doing an internship on Django and Angular. I can't think of from scratch, but once I make and implement using AI, I can explain each and everything. But that's not satisfying for me. What do you suggest? You got to learn it. You got to learn all the details. You got to learn the details from scratch. Stream disappears. Yeah. So yes, it's sus right now. Stream bandwidth is sus. Yeah, it's happening. I can see it right now. I can see it. We're dropping frames, but we're still here, you guys. We're still here. Okay, I'll have to do like a reboot. It's lagging. Yep, I see it too. It's real. Yep, really lagging. Yep, you got it. But it's still good to have you guys here. I will continue on this path. He's lagging mad. Yeah, I know, Jen. mad lagging. I got to do like a network reboot. I haven't done that for a while. I thought it did pretty good. It did pretty good for 1 year. For one whole year. I think it's pretty good. Just reboot. We'd have to start the stream over. And I think we'll just deal with it for now. Unless it gets really bad. Unless it gets like super, super bad. Hey, what's going on over there, Axel? Good to see you. Welcome on in. We're building with the rich library in Python. We're going to make some pretty stuff. So I want to print some things. Let's do that. So let me see here. There's a box. Can we do like a box or a square? A square. Let's see, shapes. I want to see some shapes here. Here we go. Perfect. That's what I want. Right there. Okay. Yes, there we go. That's what I want. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Okay. Is there other shapes I can do here? I want to see if there's other interesting shapes. Square? Square. All right. Have rest every weekend. Nice. Hello, Mr. Super Python. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Do you play Geometry Dash? Well, I've not played it. Wait, let me check Twitch. Twitch will have the same problem too. I think so. I'm pretty sure. It's good to see you guys though. It's good to see you. What we're going to do is, thank you for the hearts and reacts, you guys. Appreciate it. Let me see if we can get some other, is that all we got? Ooh, whoa. The screen like, okay, see here, 1 second. All right, let me resize that pixel right there. Is that good? Okay, I think that's good right there. Okay, perfect. Okay. Shall we hit the like button, please? Yeah, thanks you, Axel. Appreciate it. Let's see here. USD swung down again. I know, Savon, right? USD swung down again. We'll have some like little blips and blops here, I'm pretty sure. So we'll figure it out though. So can we do this? Can we do let's see here, for I in range 255. We'll do this. We'll say print, and then we'll bring this open here. And then, what we should do is we should say color, or style equals, and then we're gonna set a style, and we'll make it. I want to make pretty rainbow gradients is what I want to do. That's the plan for today. We're going to make pretty rainbow gradients. Yeah, do the reboot, please. Okay. All right. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to try it and we'll see what happens. All right. Attempting reboot. I will. I think that might be a thing, though I don't know what's going to happen. We'll try it. Okay. When it flickers again the next time, I'll try the reboot. So wait for it to flicker again, and we will reboot. Nope, you're gonna lose. Are you gonna lose people? Oh well, So far, it's... I know, we'll lose people. So we won't try the reboot yet. So we'll wait. Okay, so here's the style. And then, let me see here. I'll close that. Here's what I want to do. Actually, let's move this into an actual Python file so I can use them motions. Thank you for the hearts and likes, you guys. It's good to have you here. Let me see. Oh, it is flickering again, isn't it? Okay. All right. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to try the reboot. Okay. Yo. Hi. All right. I'm going to click the button. Let's see. All right. We'll see if it happens. We'll see if it auto reconnects. Make a calculator. I know, Spider-Man, right? We can make a calculator. Hold on a second. All right. Let's see here. 1 second, you guys. Is there a button for this, or just have to... Let's see here. 1 second. Here. All right. We'll be right back. All right, you guys. We'll be right back. I'm clicking it now. We'll see what happens.